Oh, please allow me to preach God's good news, the gospel, to each of you. You are fearfully and wonderfully created. Nag-emotional ako dun. Naiyak ako. Fearfully and wonderfully created by God as a queer person. Sorry, medyo naiyak ako. I just can't believe na we're going to reclaim this verse para i-endorse ang kabaklaan natin. Ganon. Oo. Yan. As a, mga evangelical talaga, madadrama, no? Going against your God-given sexuality is going against the one who created and designed you. It is not you who is sinning here, but the people who deny God's colorful creation in the person of you. A queer person created in God's own image. Isn't that wonderful?